In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a TRX incline press. So the TRX incline press is going to be working your chest, triceps, the front of your shoulder, and because we're suspended from the TRX, it'll also work core as well. So when it comes to setting up the TRX, I've got the foam handles at a height where they are above the position of my knee. The further I walk back when I come into the TRX, so my feet are going to come into these bottom handles. If I start walking the hands away when I'm in position, the TRX is going to come up and go higher and higher and higher. So I'm limited here of how high I can go with this setup because I've got a wall behind me. However, if you have got the TRX suspended from something and you've got a free area, just remember the more incline you want, which is going to make it harder, you just walk the hands back and create a more abrasive angle. As long as your feet are above the position of your shoulders, technically that is an incline press. Okay, so the hilarious setup is what's often missed when you have tutorial videos on an incline press. You see people perfectly in the position showing you a couple of reps, and you don't see the hilarious getting into and out of the TRX. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place one foot into the TRX, then I'm going to start to bring myself in a position where I'm facing away. Now with the other foot, I've got to bring my foot up, try and find the handle, which sometimes can be quite elusive. And then I've got the handle on both of my laces. From here, I'm going to come up into a mountain climb position. So I'm going to straighten my legs like so, bring my feet completely in line with each other. Start to walk back. And once I've walked back as far as I can, I then bring my shoulders over the position of my wrists, coming down nice and slow, and back up. Keep your hips nice and high, and repeat for your desired amount of repetitions. Once you come down, bring one knee down to the floor, and then once you've done that, to progress, you walk the hands back, creating a more abrasive angle, and to regress, you walk forwards, creating a less abrasive angle. That's how to do your TRX incline press.